is our easy fiber system. It terminates as quick as copper. It's actually faster to terminate this than an RJ45. So it's extremely bendable, ultra bendable. You can wrap it around your finger. It doesn't break. It's extremely strong. It's made out of Corning glass, actual glass, not like a plastic glass combination like you would get from other companies. To strip it, it's easy. You just take the stripper, strip the ends, and then what you do then is you put the fiber into the tool here. On the tool, there's stripping instructions. So what we were looking for is 10 millimeters of the clean fiber. So what you do is you just take, actually I'm going to take a little bit more off. So what you do is there's a cladding on there. So you use the middle hole and then you scrape off the cladding that's on there. See that plastic material?
Yep.
And you just take a towel thing, whatever you call it.
This is alcohol, or?
Yeah, it's an alcohol swab, and then you just wipe the fiber down to clean it. Then you just set the fiber into the cleaver, and there's a little blade right here. And
so to interrupt you, could you explain me this aspect, the length?
This is the jacket, the white part.
Okay.
The cladding is that plastic material that I scraped off.
Okay.
And then that part is the bare fiber. So that's what we're looking for. That's for a single mode. I'm doing a multi-mode. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. So it doesn't really, but same idea. You have your jacket, cladding, center conductor, or just the fiber. So anyway, you close the lid, and you move the tool back, open the lid, and now the fiber's been cleaved. So you can just tap it off into your trash can. And then, so now we have a clean, prepared fiber. It's got the correct amount of cladding. And then all we do is we take the strainer leaf, and then take the fiber, and there's a little white little spot right there. You just take the fiber and insert it into that hole. There we go, perfect. Align the cable in there. Put the back on here, and so that's basically it. With clear line though, it's a glue, so there's an epoxy in there. You can't reuse the connector. With ours, we have like a little cam in there. So what you do is you remove this little clip right here, and then you just push down on that. That locks the fiber into place. So instead of a glue, it's that little clip. If you want to undo it, then you just take that little clip and then you put it back on again. And that will push that
piece back,
that button back up, and that's it.
And just to be clear, so this is the non-catted part, and then you want to leave that layer on that part. Okay.
Yes.
And the next question is, like, how do you do your test?
So we don't have a electrolyte light, but the connector on the other end, this would stay on there. It would light up, light up the other end. So,
and as long as you get light on the other end, that should be.
So it's like a tone tester for like a speaker. This is a Cat 6 and single mode fiber.
Oh, all in one.
But we sell this in a variety of 2, 4, 6, and 12 fiber. We have indoor, outdoor rated, Plenum rated. We also have micro armored version, so you can.
So is it bend sensitive?
Oh yeah, you can wrap it around your finger. It doesn't break.
I mean actually active bend sensitive, where you can pass
as far as the signal, yes.
So it's not going to attenuate the signal.
Correct. It's bend sensitive, yes. It says that on our spec sheet. So, but yeah, these have 0.2 dB loss. The clear line has 0.4 dB, so these are a less loss connector than the clear line. But then, like I said, the fiber is significantly less than the clear line. So that's really where you save. Connectors are about the same, tools about the same. But
So you can have more connectors for splice points if you had to.
you can what?
More connectors for splice points if you had to.
Yeah.
And how do you do joints? Like you would just do this and do a female?
We have, this is some
How would you what?
Like a joint. If I ran and I
They
cut.
make connector buttons.
So these are keystone connectors, so you can use copper and fiber in one rack unit. These are just pass-through style. You just plug the connectors right in. So
Do you have anything for an enclosure box?
we do. I don't know the enclosure. We sell those in your keystone. Well, then we have big enclosures like for others, like 42-inch enclosures and stuff like that. But we do have we also have like a 3-in-1 that's like fiber, coax, and
Can you also explain like what is like OM2, OM3? That's like the type of
yeah, so
thickness.
it's basically OM3 is the one you pretty much need to know. OM3 will go to 300 meters. All of the equipment, pretty much here, like Crestron and like a lot of Cisco switches and stuff, they use OM3. OM4 is like the same as OM3, it's just a higher quality glass, and you can go 400 meters instead of 300 meters. But it's basically the same thing.
It's like got 6 of the fact outside.
What I understood from the fiber is that if it's purple, it's probably OM4.
Correct.
If it's aqua, that color, it's OM3, which are the OM is optical multi-mode, and it's OS, it's
Single mode. Okay.
That's yellow.
Multi-mode is good for like 1,000 feet, whereas single mode is good for miles.
And the difference between single and multi is the way it bounces through the wire, right?
Diameter of the fiber and the way it actually goes with the latch.
The single mode is the 1 gig, right?
Well, you
Multi-mode,
could have-
It depends on the transceiver. Your speed of what you can put on the fiber depends on the transceiver. You can have a transceiver that does 1 gig, 10 gig, 25 gig, 50 gig. It depends on the transceiver you've got. Now they have some transceivers that will use a single fiber bi-directional. Instead of being single direction down one fiber, it's bi-directional.
On the same fiber.
Right, that's why a lot of telephone companies that are sending the fiber to your home on a single mode fiber. They are actually doing that where they will transmit and receive single.
So this is a Fios connection, basically.
Instead of
right?
doing this where you got like that there, you got
The double wires. So it's one return, one going.
but a lot of switches you see you'll have
Like unified.
one device to the other, whereas the dual fiber. You'll see more of the modules than you SFP modules that are dual than you will single. You can get them single.
And how do you get like certified in fiber and all that? Like, what's the?
Well, the thing is, like, in the AV market, like, there's like data centers that are, you know, like you're gonna go acquire an AT&T data center or something, like Fortnite has some like certification program you can go for. You can use their like specialized tools that are. This is for AV. You know, this is.
Just for basically AV over IP and stuff, those scenarios, basically.
Yeah, I mean, it'll do all the performance, but you're not like, so in the professional end, they have like fusion splicers that like melt the glass together, and that's the type of stuff you would certify. This is not a system that you certify. This is, you already learned how to use it, you're certified. You can go out into the field now. It's not like you're an electrician, you have to get like electrician certification. You can learn how to do it. But like the people who would require a fiber drop certification, that's a different market. That's like if you had a large commercial building, and then you would be more invested in the equipment. This is for like pre-wiring houses and small commercial jobs and stuff like that.
And you notice single
Yeah,
fiber.
Just one error.
Yeah, and that's just what equipment, like some equipment uses one type of connector, some equipment uses another, some equipment uses single bellows, some equipment uses one type of. So you basically just look, see what it is.
If you ever run into orange fiber, be careful. My understanding is that is an actual different diameter from the aqua. It's not the same diameter fiber type.
That makes sense.
They won't match up. When you put them into your couplers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, the core size is actually line up with the
Be exact, basically.
What's up? This guy knows what's up.
Thank you very much for educating us.
I'm looking at a product.